What's going on, everybody? Josh here, and in this video I'm out in Lakewood Ranch, Florida, and I'm going to show you the very last home, single family home anyway, that is available in Aurora at Lakewood Ranch. This one you can get brand new home under $400,000 in Lakewood Ranch, and that's pretty much unheard of for single family homes. So if you like home tours, stick around. I'm gonna drive over here. So all to the right here are the townhomes. Looks like they're down to about the last 3 or 4 townhomes as well. So you know, this home, as you'll see in a minute, is about $100,000 more. Actually, what did I say? It was at $387. So it's about $90,000 more than the townhomes. So I think it probably gonna be worth it. But all the amenities over to the right. We'll walk over there after I show the home. Let's drive over here, take a look at this, and pulling up to it right here. It is on the corner. So let's pull into the driveway. Nice long driveway here. All right, let's go take a look. All right, this is the Atlanta floor plan, very last single family home here in Aurora at Lakewood Ranch. This one's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, 1,871 square feet, currently listed at $387,000. HOA fee out here is $190 a month, and CDD is $1,800 a year. That is added to your tax bill. Pan around, show what it looks like over here. Then we'll go inside. You're on the corner lot, nice big or long driveway. As you can see my car there, and then really a long driveway. So nice corner lot. Let's go inside, take a look at this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. And I already can tell you why. My biggest complaint about this one is the backyard, and it backs to the townhomes, but it's the very last one in the neighborhood and brand new construction for $387 in Lakewood Ranch is pretty hard to come by. All right, so we come in the front door, have your tile floor here, nice tall ceilings when you come in. And then over here to the right, let's head upstairs first. You got carpet on the stairs, all your blinds are included as well. So we get to the top of the stairs up here. You have this little loft space here, separating the main suite from the rest of the home. Let's go over here first, then we'll come back to the main suite. So down the hall here, you're gonna have your air handler here. You have a 3-ton carrier unit. And then bedroom number 1 right here. Once again, blinds are included. You'll have pre-wires in all the bedrooms for ceiling fans or light fixtures. And of course, you just have your standard closet here. And townhomes are almost sold out here too. And those are like $292 up to a little bit over $300. So if you want a single family home, this is a steal. So laundry room here, got the tile floor, washer and dryer included. Right across from the laundry room, you're gonna have your first bathroom, all the tile floor, the white cabinets, the quartz countertops. I do wish this had a dual vanity since 3 bathrooms up here are sharing it. And then you have the tile around your tub and shower combo. All right, continuing on down the hall here, you're gonna have your linen closet right here. And then at the end of the hall, bedroom number 2. This one looks out of the front of the home. Show you the closets here, which is gonna be just the standard, your standard closet. And then bedroom number 3. Also looking out the front of the home. And then same standard closet over here. All right, let's go take a look at the main suite. All right, so into the nice size main bedroom, especially for a sub 1,900 square foot home, nice size main bedroom. Into your main bath, same tile floor as before. You come in, you have your water closet here. And then right behind the door, you're gonna have your linen closet. Right. Shower with the tile around. This would come with just a shower curtain rod. A lot of people I've seen, they'll actually frame this out with some glass doors, make it look a little bit nicer. And then right across from the shower, you're gonna have your dual vanity, same white cabinets, the quartz countertops, your undermount sinks. How's it going, everybody? Hope you're doing well. And then your walk-in closet back here. Of course, the carpet in the closet. This is where all the your cabling comes in for your like internet. It's locked, but sometimes people ask me what it is. So this is where you put your router, stuff like that for your internet and cable. All right, let's head downstairs, finish taking a look. And then after we do this, we'll run over and take a look at the pool that's in this community. All right, so get down to the bottom of the stairs, come down the hall here, you're gonna have your half bath. Pedestal sink there. Do wish they would put a vanity in, but I know these builders aren't gonna do that. Then you have your toilet there. All right, coming in to your main living room space. Of course, open up to the kitchen. Let's go take a look at the 2-car garage real fast. So you come out here, you got an extra box of tile. Water heater over in the corner there. All right, so coming out of the garage, immediately to the right into your kitchen, you do have your stainless steel Frigidaire dishwasher. Nice big island here. Your double undermount sink. It is an electric community, so you have your electric slide-in range, the Frigidaire, and then your stainless steel microwave above. Let's see if it is vented out, and it is not. But it does have soft close on the doors. Let's see if we have soft close on the drawers. We do not. All right, so into your pantry. And then your stainless steel Frigidaire refrigerator is included. Fridge, freezer. Normally I don't do that, but it's only one home here, so I figured I'd extend the video a little bit. All right, so this would be your dining room space. And then right outside, this is my biggest complaint, is you're backing right up to the townhomes, and you just have a little concrete pads and no covered lanai. You do have this little overhang. You can see the purple here, that's for your reclaimed water for your irrigation. So irrigation is included. All the landscaping is included as well. But here's a look at the side of the back of this one. Once again, this is Atlanta. I'll walk over here. With it being a corner lot, you have a nice size corner lot. So here's a look at the back of this one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. All right, so your mailboxes are right there behind the sheriff's SUV. The house is right on the corner right there. And then right over here, you're gonna have the playground and the pool. So I'm not gonna be able to get inside the pool because it's code and stuff, but at least I'll walk into the playground area over here and kind of walk over and get you a better look at it. I guess I could jump the fence, but I'm not gonna do that. So over here, just got a small little pool. And of course, all the preserve back there. You do have water fountains, and I'm assuming bathrooms over there as well.